How do we persuade our children to obey instead of just pulling rank on them and saying, I'm your dad or I'm your mom and you have to listen to me? Now, there is a passage in section 37 that I love. It's a very short revelation here. The saints are being asked to do something, or is asked the right word. Look at this verse. It's fascinating. Section 37, verse 3. Again, a commandment I give unto the church, that it is expedient in me that they should assemble together at the Ohio. And here they're being told to go. But notice how they're being told to do it. Right at the start, it's a commandment. You say gather, I'm wondering when. And yet, in the same breath, in the same verse, he goes on and says, it is expedient in me to assemble together there. Well, which one is it? To me, it's interesting to watch the Lord soften things through this brief passage. Is it a commandment? Well, yes. But to be more persuasive and less compulsory, it is expedient in me. And expedient, according to the 1828 dictionary, simply means that it's fit or suitable for the purpose. I have some purposes in mind, the Lord is saying. And it is expedient for you to go to the Ohio for the church to be able to accomplish these purposes. So there's some reason here. This is a good idea. What's interesting is then he says in the next verse, verse 4, behold, here is wisdom, and let every man choose for himself until I come. Even so, amen. And there goes the revelation. It's super short. 4 verses is all you get. But what's interesting is how many different approaches the Lord tries in that one brief revelation. We've gone from commandment, this is it, how it is, just do it, to it's expedient in me, to here is wisdom. So it's one thing to say it's expedient, needs to be done, this is fit, this is suitable. But let's backpedal and soften even more. This is wisdom. I think it's a good idea. And I mean, I am omniscient, so take that for what it's worth. But this sense of a wise choice. But how does he end it? Let every man choose for himself. The honoring of agency. In 2 brief verses, we've gone from commandment to choose for yourself. And along the way, from expediency to wisdom, good advice, but it's going to come down to you and your personal decisions. I'm amazed to watch the Lord honor agency here.